how to restore deleted pictures or videos from the gallery recycle bin on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next in here, we go back to the main home page and then tap on the menu button. From the pop-up menu, tap on recycle bin. Then here, you can tap on the select button. Then select the pictures or videos that you would like to restore. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on the restore button right there. And that's it. Now the pictures and videos will be restored back to your gallery. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.